Wagwan, what's great? I know what you're thinking. First thing, chef, why have man that something up my head? Literally, I'm here doing some editing, and you know, I kind of look like I'm training for some audition for some boxing competition or something. But no, place is very cool. You know what I'm saying? But yes, right now I'm going to be showing you how to get your green seasonings and just your fresh herbs on a whole done for marination, for when you're marinating your meat, fish, or your poultry. Because a lot of times I get questions like, how do you get that seasoning done that you normally put inside of your oxtail or your curry goat and stuff like that. And I was also in the process of editing my oxtail and curry goat video, but I realized that the video was going to be too long, and I don't want them to be too drawn out with the green seasoning in it. So I decided, okay, I'm going to put these in a separate video. You know what I say? So whenever time you use these fresh ingredients into your cooking, it makes a big difference. So without further delay, forward and thing, let me show you what I'm going.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So these are the fresh ingredients that we're gonna wash and get blended for this recipe, right? We have here some green onions, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, and of course some fresh thyme. So our garlic look like this because they've been in the freezer. I don't use them that often. So what do we normally do? We normally just freeze them. A touch of olive oil. So we'll add the olive oil to help with the blending process. So we're gonna cut off our onion into smaller pieces. That's easier to work with. So the onion and the garlic together, and then we're gonna pulse this. Nice little consistency. So the reason why I blended the garlic and the onions together, because sometimes not everybody can tolerate the spice from the scotch bonnet pepper. So you want to blend these separately. So you add accordingly to each recipe, you know. So curry goat is more spicier than oxtail, so we can't blend everything together. You're gonna get everything on the same spice level. Oxtail is more mild. So real quick, stick around to the end of this video before you log off. You know what I say? I have an explanation at the end of this video that I know that a lot of you will be interested in. So watch this video to the end and you'll see what I have to explain. No fluff. Continue watching. For the thyme, you don't want to use that hard stem right here. So you just use a little trick. Go at the top and just pull it right down. You know? Just to get the tender pieces off. And that hard part, you don't want to use that in your food. Let's chop this. Again, touch of olive oil. When the blender blade too low, bruh, you have to shake. Make sure if you're doing this at home, you force this down on the blender while pulsing at the same time. If you have a low blender blade like this one, marvelous. These frozen ones are very hot. Just gonna remove the seeds from these ones because that's where the heat is. All the heat is in the seed. So remove that heat. Touch of olive oil. So these, you don't want to puree them, you just want to chop them up a bit. So yes, there you have it. It's a quick and easy video, but it makes a major difference in your cooking. You know what I say? So if for any reason you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so it can circulate out there to others so let them know, hey, useful information is actually in these videos. I know you guys have been reaching out to me over on Instagram, new Instagram up, hot chef, hot_chef, so follow that one, and thank you very much for the support. You know what I say? Leave in the comment section as well what you'd like to see done here. And because this is my first video out ever since I made that last video on my panko crusted salmon, I must say the ladies them go hard in the comment section in the streets, so I lose the authentic voice I know. But I don't feel behave on yourself, you know, man. Really and truly, no reason why I make that video there. So, quote unquote, it sounds so sexual like my voiceover. For those who out there who are wondering what is he talking about, check out my last video that I made on panko crusted salmon. I was doing a voiceover, but voiceover is one of the worst things for me. I hate doing voiceovers. And this was a 10-minute video, so you know the voiceover was just drawn out, and I'm like, yo. But before that panko crusted salmon, I did a voiceover on a smoothie bowl, but I realized I was somewhat of baffling. There was little baffling here and there in the speaker, so I'm saying, okay, I locked all the windows and doors because I want to provide the best sound. And I was trying to speak so that the speakers won't be traumatized by that rough voice. You know what I say? And that was the outcome of that. You see me? So ladies and feel say, yo, they must say, yo, I want to go with the voice, my chef. I remember one specific brother comment, I'm going to leave a little thing right here that he commented and said, yo, why the eye whisper? Trust me, Bridget, that comment there have me dying the whole time. You see what I'm really easy. So, big up on the stem, read through the comments, you see me? And no love for the love. And I know nothing too sexual, but the ladies them find it that way. You see me? So, big up the ladies them nonetheless because I don't know the things that you know. I only give me the strength and big up the man them see me say, yo, make my wife do the real thing in the kitchen and enough love for that. You see me? So big up on yourself, continue supporting the channel, share to a friend, tell a friend. And Latisha, I want you to love me out, you know. You understand? Yes, new body alert, but me not boast for the thing. I know me love myself for me slim and nice. I know me thick and nice. You feel me I say? I'm not talking about the girl thick, so why for the man I'm gonna come by and say, thick brother, why? No, why yourself before you why me? You understand? But anyway, no love for the love. Tune into the channel, give this video a thumbs up and make the thing go viral. You feel me? I'm far from simple, but it is effective. You see? Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see me? And subscribe to the thing if you're new here. And go check out the last video on the panko salmon where they say sound like me have sex. But know you fast girl and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.